The first vaccine shot of COVID-19 has been administered. Sanitation worker Manish Kumar becomes the first one in the country to receive the first COVID jab at All India Institute of Medical Science in Delhi. He was inoculated in the presence of Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. Moments after Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the drive, frontline workers in Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru and other states have also got the vaccine shot. As of now, 2 made-in-India vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, are being used for vaccination. A total of 3 lakh healthcare workers will be vaccinated across country today. AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria, Niti Aayog member VK Paul were among the first few to be administered a jab of the COVID-19 vaccine at AIIMS. 3 crore people, including 1 crore healthcare workers, 2 crore frontline workers, will be administered the first shot of vaccine in the first phase of the vaccination drive.
इससे होगा कि मैं कोरोना से अपने देश को लड़ने में फ़ायदा होगा। मेरे को अंदर से झिझक नहीं होगी जो कोरोना की होती है हमेशा से।
अभी कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है? अपने पहला जो शॉट था वैक्सीन का वो आपने
बहुत ही बढ़िया, आपके सामने ही हो, कोई ना इचिंग हो रही ना खुजली, कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं है।
Give a strong message not only to the healthcare workers who are working along with me, who has been working very hard during this COVID pandemic, so they will be motivated that our own senior person is taking the vaccine without any hesitation, and I will request that a strong message. We are healthcare workers has been in the front line in managing COVID pandemic, and we will still remain the frontline people to motivate the community and the people in general that to come forward and take your vaccine.
Physically, I am feeling very fit. I am as good as I was when I entered the vaccination room. Nothing has changed. Emotionally, yes, I am very overwhelmed. And it is not that I've got the shot and, I've got the protection. I am overwhelmed because I could get this chance to get the vaccination and to set an example to allay fear from the mind of the population at large.
एक तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत हम्बलिंग एक्सपीरियंस है और एक गर्व की बात भी है कि आज पहले दिन मुझे वैक्सीन लगा। मैं आई विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस। लेकिन मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा कि सब लोग जब भी उनकी बारी है वो आगे आए। वैक्सीन के साथ लोगों को बहुत शंकाएं हैं, उनको दूर करें, अब आगे बढ़ें।
कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स के बारे में आप बताएंगे जिन लोगों को आज लगा है, किस तरह के कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं जो वो पहले से उसके लिए तैयार रहे मेंटली, और क्या करना चाहिए ऐसे किसी पेशेंट को, क्योंकि कैसे ट्रैक कर रहे हैं आप पेशेंट्स को इंडिविजुअली?
तो कुछ लोगों को पहले 1-2 दिन जहाँ पे टीका लगा हुआ है दर्द हो सकती है, 1 दिन के लिए बुखार हो सकता है, शरीर में दर्दें, जॉइंट पेन हो सकता है, वो आस्ता आस्ता अपने आप 1 दिन में ठीक हो जाता है। लोगों को घबराना नहीं चाहिए। कुछ लोगों का मानना है कि ये अच्छा साइड इफेक्ट है क्योंकि ये शो करता है कि वैक्सीन आपके बॉडी में काम कर रही है। कुछ लोगों को एलर्जिक रिएक्शन हो सकती है, इसलिए सब लोगों को आधा घंटे के लिए हम मॉनिटर करते हैं कि कोई एलर्जी तो नहीं है, सीवियर रिएक्शन तो नहीं हुआ है टीका के एकदम लगने के बाद। उसके बाद हेल्पलाइन भी है, ऐप पे भी एक 24/7 हेल्पलाइन है।
क्या भारत के पास इतने वैक्सीन हैं सर, और आम आदमी तक लोगों के मन में यही है कि अभी तो फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स हैं। डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन ने भी अभी बताया कि मैं भी अपनी बारी का इंतजार करूंगा। आम आदमी कब तक एक्सपेक्ट करे कि वहां तक हम पहुंचे?
तो वो डिपेंड करेगा कि जितने हमें डोजेस मिल सकते हैं। हमारी तैयारी पूरी है लोगों को वैक्सीनेट करने के लिए, पर जितने डोजेस मिले हम उतने ही वैक्सीनेट कर पाएंगे। तो हम यही कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जितने मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हों उनसे हम जितना ज्यादा डोजेस हमारे देश को मिल पाए, और आगे और कंपनीज भी आए जिनको अप्रूवल मिले, तो हमारा जो वैक्सीन का डोज का मतलब नंबर है, पूल जो है वो बढ़ेगा, तो हम और ज्यादा लोगों को वैक्सीन कर पाएंगे और जल्दी कर पाएंगे।
Now our reporters are on ground. They've been covering the vaccination drive since the morning, right when it began at 9 a.m. And they're going to bring you the most authentic reports across of India on this vaccination drive. Here are glimpses of it.
Frontline healthcare workers are now getting their shots, and we are at the prestigious Medanta Hospital. 2 doctors who were involved in the war against COVID-19 are amongst the first to get the shot. With me is Dr. Arvinder Soin and Dr. Yatin Mehta at the Medanta Hospital. Dr. Soin, you were involved in this war against COVID-19 and you've got the shot. The Prime Minister today said that the nation is very grateful to you. What was your experience like, sir, getting the shot?
Well, the first shot was absolutely smooth and painless. And I'm honored to be among the first ones to be allocated a slot for getting the vaccination. And I think that me and my colleagues need to get this so that, one, we are de-risked because obviously we are at the highest risk being on the front line. But more importantly, we need to serve as examples for the rest of the country that they should embrace the concept of vaccination. They should not hesitate or be afraid. It is safe. We've just got it. We're doing well so far. And hopefully it'll go great.
Do we know what vaccine you've got? Does it make a difference whether you got the Covishield or the Covaxin?
Personally, to me, it makes no difference because both the vaccines are safe. There is some data which is expected from the second vaccine, which is the Covaxin. But the safety is not an issue at all.
So 2 doctors leading from the front, they've got the vaccine themselves and are encouraging others to take the vaccine, take that jab, which is being called the Sanjeevani of life. With cameraman Kripal Singh at the Medanta Hospital in Gurugram, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
A big day today, indeed. The vaccination drive kick-starts today. I'm at the Nair Hospital in Mumbai, and the people here are a special lot because they are the one who are going to receive the vaccine today, and they are going to, of course, set an example. But the first person at the Nair Hospital who's going to receive the vaccine is a lady here. Ma'am, many people have been, a little skeptical about whether they should be going for this vaccine or not. But you being a professional in the medical field, what are your thoughts at this point of time? You're number one here in the list. You will be taking the vaccine first.
Yeah, I feel that all healthcare workers who have been tested for COVID, because we also take tests in our hospital, whether we are positive or negative, then only we are allowed to work. So since I am COVID negative, I want to take this vaccine so that I am protected myself to give service to the other patients. And that is why I'm really excited to take this vaccine.
So look at the feeling, look at the mood of the people out here. As it is, the entire hospital has been well carpeted. There is rangoli all around. There are flower petals that have been shot at various places. All in all, a fantastic experience here at the hospital, and the bunch of people sitting here say they're happy and excited for the exercise. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
COVID vaccine has been initiated, and the drive as per that. The first vaccine was given to a health worker in Madurai, and the second one at Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital in Chennai, and the second vaccine was given to the Dean of this hospital, Tenari Rajan. You could see currently various other people also, very frontline workers are also getting the vaccine over here, and this is a place where you could see actually all the setup was earlier done. 2 dry runs had been done already over here, and one by one the vaccine is being given to them, and the officials here have mentioned that the time span for the vaccines to be there is a maximum of 4 hours.
To build the confidence among the healthcare personnel, I wanted to stand first. That's why I took the vaccine first, and we are all very happy, and our healthcare personnel also, they are very confident now. I think today we were expecting only 25, but today there are 52 people have registered. So we are almost all the. I strongly feel that 100% coverage will happen in the healthcare personnel.
Wonderful. So after the vaccine has been taken, how long you have to be on the monitored now? Correct?
30 minutes. 30 only 30 minutes.
That's the Dean of the hospital, Tenari Rajan, who has got the first shot in Chennai of the COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin in particular, and he's going to sit over there in that area. He'll be placed there for 30 minutes for monitoring. There are specific protocols as well. First 30 minutes, and even though he's the dean and he has to take care of various work in the hospital, he still decided to go ahead with the vaccination just to boost confidence. With camera person Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Now, as the world's largest vaccine drive begins, 3 lakh people get the magic bullet on day 1. But here's more on who made history with the nation's first jab.
As India kicked off the world's biggest COVID-19 vaccination drive, a frontline sanitation worker became the first citizen to receive the Made in India COVID jab. 34-year-old Manish Kumar, who is a sanitation worker at AIIMS in Delhi, was inoculated in the presence of Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan. His vaccination came moments after Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the drive.
जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, नर्सेस हैं, अस्पताल में सफाई कर्मी हैं, मेडिकल पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ है, चाहे वो सरकारी अस्पताल में हो या फिर प्राइवेट में, सभी को ये वैक्सीन प्राथमिकता पर लगेगी। इसके बाद पुलिसकर्मी हो गए, फायर ब्रिगेड के लोग हो गए, सफाई कर्मचारी हो गए, इन सभी को ये वैक्सीन प्राथमिकता पर लगेगी। इनकी संख्या करीब करीब 3 करोड़ होती है। इन सभी के वैक्सीनेशन का खर्च भारत सरकार द्वारा उठाया जाएगा।
Manish said that the vaccination process was smooth and painless.
मुझे देख के दुनिया सबको लगे कि जब इसको कुछ नहीं हुआ तो हमें भी क्या होगा।
तो आप यही कहना चाहते हैं लोगों को भी सामने आके लगवाएं?
हाँ, जरूर लगवानी चाहिए और दोनों डोज, एक नहीं दोनों डोज जरूर लगवानी चाहिए। इसी से तो हमारा देश जीतेगा कोरोना से। ऐसे ही हम अगर एक साथ होकर रहेंगे, जैसे कोरोना से लड़े वैसे ही वैक्सीन लगा के।
After Manish, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Director Dr. Randeep Guleria also received the vaccine shot.
मेरे लिए एक बहुत हम्बलिंग एक्सपीरियंस है और एक गर्व की बात भी है कि आज पहले दिन मुझे वैक्सीन लगा। मैं आई विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस। लेकिन मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा कि सब लोग जब भी उनकी बारी है वो आगे आएँ। वैक्सीन के साथ लोगों को बहुत शंकाएं हैं, उनको दूर करें, अब आगे बढ़ें।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal quelled all doubts over the vaccines, promising to expand vaccination centers from 81 to 250 by the second phase.
मैं सब लोगों को यही कहना चाहता हूं कि किसी भी तरह की अफवाह या किसी भी तरह की गलत उस पर ध्यान ना दें और एक्सपर्ट्स का कहना है बिल्कुल सेफ है वैक्सीन, कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है और अंत में हम लोगों को इससे कोरोना से छुटकारा मिलेगा।
While some including healthcare workers have expressed their reservations about the vaccine, 34-year-old sanitation worker Manish Kumar became the first to take the Covaxin jab at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, kick-starting one of the world's largest and biggest vaccination drives. Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to the people to not pay heed to any sort of propaganda, misinformation or rumours. He assured the people that the two made in India vaccines are absolutely safe. With camera person Alok Das, Polami Saha in Delhi for India Today.
And now moving on, in a clear violation of existing norms of COVID-19 vaccine, 2 TMC MLAs jumped the queue and took jabs in West Bengal's Bardwan. The TMC MLAs, Rabi Chatterjee and Subhash Mondal, got themselves vaccinated. MLAs got vaccinated themselves at the Butter State General Hospital in East Bardwan district. Of the 2 MLAs, Subhash Mondal defended his move to get the vaccine, saying that he only wanted to boost the confidence of people, motivate them to take the vaccine too. Remember, only the healthcare workers are allowed to take the jab in the first phase. They're all putting their lives at risk, treating COVID patients. They deserve to be getting the first shot. The doctors, of course, themselves are setting an example. Here, TMC MLAs believe that they've got to take it to boost confidence.
তো কি বার্তা দেবেন মানুষকে যে সমস্ত মানুষ
তারা প্রত্যেকেই সুযোগ পাবে কারণ বাংলার মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মাননীয় মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় বাংলার সমস্ত মানুষ যাতে টেকা পায় তার সুব্যবস্থা করছে এবং প্রথম ফেজে আমাদের ভাতারে আজকে 100 জনের দেওয়া হবে পরপর এবং সমস্ত আপামর জনসাধারণ প্রত্যেকেই ভ্যাকসিন পাবে।
Now, as India's largest vaccination drive is underway, war of words have erupted between BJP and the Congress. BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya took a sharp swipe at the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi on Twitter. Malviya said that Rahul raised doubts on the centre's efforts to roll out COVID-19 vaccine. However, on D-Day, Rahul has kept mum. He also slammed Rahul for not tweeting anything in favour of scientists and healthcare workers or even boost confidence. Meanwhile, Congress once again has raised objections over the approved vaccines. Congress MP Manish Tiwari questioned the vaccine safety by saying why no government functionary stepped forward to be vaccinated if they are really so safe and reliable. Why haven't BJP leaders themselves taken the vaccine? Congress claims comes as BJP's Mahesh Sharma becomes the first parliamentarian to get the COVID-19 jab today. However, he's also a doctor.
बुनियादी सवाल ये उत्पन्न होता है कि अगर ये टीका इतना ही सुरक्षित है, इतना ही कामदेह है, तो अभी तक इस सरकार का कोई जिम्मेदार मंत्री सामने क्यों नहीं आया कि सबसे पहले मुझे टीका लगाओ, जिससे कि लोगों में संदेश जाए कि ये टीका बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित है।
And meanwhile, while speaking to India Today, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has said that there should be no politics over the vaccine. It's only going to dent the morale of those wanting to take the jab.
देखने का नजरिया है, वैक्सीन क्या है, किसी की बेहतर सुरक्षा के लिए है। अगर मैं स्वार्थी हो जाऊं तो मैं सोचूंगा कि सबसे पहले मेरी सुरक्षा मैं क्यों नहीं इंतजाम कर लेता जब वैक्सीन आई गई है। ये भी सोच हो सकती थी प्रधानमंत्री जी की। अब जहां तक राजनीतिक सोच और राजनीतिक सोच से प्रेरित जो राजनीतिक बयान है, इनके बारे में कमेंट करना ना तो मैं ज़रूरी समझता, ना ही ये उचित है।
Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched India's COVID-19 vaccination drive, the world's largest inoculation exercise against the virus. He got emotional while talking about hardships faced by the healthcare workers during the pandemic and said that they have sacrificed their lives for us. He further added that we have expressed our gratitude by reserving the first shot for them. Prime Minister lauded the medical fraternity for giving the nation 2 made-in-India vaccines in record time. Prime Minister cautioned people, saying that even after vaccination, one shouldn't discard precautions. Also warned against rumours regarding the vaccines. Nearly 3 lakh healthcare workers will get the COVID-19 vaccine dose today. 100 beneficiaries will be vaccinated at each session site. Prime Minister also launched the CoWIN app, which will be used for registration and tracking of vaccine beneficiaries.
जो हमें छोड़कर चले गए, उनको परंपरा के मुताबिक वो विदाई भी नहीं मिल सकी जिसके वो हकदार थे। जितना हम उस समय के बारे में सोचते हैं, मन सिहर जाता है, उदास हो जाता है। लेकिन साथियों, संकट के उसी समय में, निराशा के उसी वातावरण में कोई आशा का भी संचार कर रहा था। हमें बचाने के लिए अपने प्राणों को संकट में डाल रहा था। हमारे डॉक्टर, नर्स, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर, आशा वर्कर, सफाई कर्मचारी, पुलिस के साथी और दूसरे फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स, उन्होंने मानवता के प्रति अपने दायित्व को प्राथमिकता दी। इनमें से अधिकांश तब अपने बच्चों, अपने परिवार से दूर रहे, कई कई दिन तक घर नहीं गए। सैकड़ों साथी ऐसे भी हैं जो कभी घर वापस लौट ही नहीं आ पाए। उन्होंने एक एक जीवन को बचाने के लिए अपना जीवन आहूत कर दिया।
On that note, is a wrap on this bulletin. For further news and updates, do log on to indiatoday.in. You could also download our app for more. Stay tuned, and India Today special coming up next.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.